Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password within your account on the YNAB application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device. And after opening it up, you will be taken into your homepage if you have already logged in. Now, if you wish to change your password for your account, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner from the homepage. From here, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Account Settings. Now, within the Account Settings page, you will see the Change Email and Password button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be allowed to change your password. Scroll down towards the Password section, and then enter your current password within the first box. After entering this password, enter your desired new password underneath, and then click on the Change Password button. You will now be told that your password has successfully been changed. Now just close this menu and you can now begin to use the application as usual. But whenever you log out, you will now be able to log back in using your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password within your YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.